navigating in Excel. You all know you can move your arrow key or you can click your mouse, but there are some keyboard shortcuts that are very helpful when you're trying to navigate around your data inside Excel. To go to the end of a column or the end of a row, you simply hit the end key and then the arrow key in the direction that you're looking for. That will go to the last column that has data, unless there is data after that column that's separated by a space. So it'll go to the last continuous data in a column or a row. Anytime you're in the spreadsheet, any place in the spreadsheet, if you hit Control Home, you will go to row 1, column 1, or A1, as most people call it. If you want to select all the data in a worksheet, that's Control Shift End. That will just select the data that is filled in your worksheet. If you want to select the entire sheet, then you hit Control A. To highlight what's copied, Control C. To cut what's highlighted, Control X. And to paste either one of those, Control V. Control X to cut. That means it's going to remove what you have highlighted and place it where you paste it. Paste, Control V. Control Find helps you find something. There's some very interesting things you can do with that. Control H finds and replaces. You tell it what to find and what to replace it with. Those are all handy tools, particularly when you're dealing with large spreadsheets and you want to make a correction in everything. Control P prints, Control S saves. To open another workbook, that's Control O. To move to the previous sheet, or the next sheet rather, or tab, Excel calls the tabs sheets. So each worksheet is a sheet. Most commonly, most of us think of those as tabs because they look like little tabs at the bottom of the screen. So to move to the next sheet, Control Page down. Move to the previous sheet, Control Page up.